Forget yo-yo dieting and unsustainable weight loss plans. It's time for a change. Achieve healthy weight loss through a holistic approach that focuses on both physical and mental well-being. Successful weight loss isn't just about restricting calories. It's about adopting a sustainable lifestyle. Healthy weight loss means setting realistic goals, building a balanced diet, and incorporating physical activity for optimal results. Prioritize whole foods, portion control, and mindful eating. Shed the pounds, not your health. For those who need extra support, medical weight loss programs offer personalized treatment plans, medical supervision, medication, and supplements, as well as lifestyle coaching. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey, not a destination. Focus on creating healthy habits, find joy in the process, and celebrate your successes. Ready for transformation? Contact Vibrant Vitality Clinic for personalized support and expert guidance on healthy weight loss.